Welcome to the step-by-step guide for digital marketers. Let's dive into the essential strategies for successful digital marketing. First, understand your audience by identifying your target audience and creating buyer personas to comprehend their demographics, interests, and behavior. Next, set clear goals by defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, such as increasing website traffic, lead generation, and conversion rates. Choose the right channels by selecting digital marketing channels based on your audience and goals, focusing on where your audience is most active. Create compelling content by developing high-quality, relevant, and engaging content, utilizing various content types like blog posts, videos, and infographics. Optimize website content for search engines to improve visibility through search engine optimization, SEO, using relevant keywords, creating quality backlinks, and ensuring a mobile-friendly site. Establish a strong presence on relevant social media platforms. Create a content calendar, engage with your audience, and utilize paid advertising if applicable for social media marketing. Build and segment your email list. Craft personalized and compelling email campaigns, including newsletters, promotions, and drip campaigns for email marketing. Set up targeted and well-optimized pay-per-click advertising campaigns. Monitor and analyze performance regularly to make adjustments for paid advertising, PPC. Use analytics tools to track and measure the performance of your campaigns. Analyze data to make informed decisions and optimize strategies for analytics and data analysis. Identify areas of your website or marketing funnel that can be improved for better conversion rates. A/B test different elements to understand what resonates best with your audience for conversion optimization. Keep abreast of industry trends, algorithm updates, and new technologies. Attend webinars, conferences, and read relevant blogs to stay informed for staying updated. Foster relationships with influencers and other businesses in your industry. Leverage partnerships for cross-promotion and collaborations for building relationships. Gather and analyze customer feedback. Adapt your strategies based on feedback and changing market conditions for customer feedback and adaptation. Ensure compliance with data protection laws and ethical marketing practices. Build trust with your audience by being transparent and honest for compliance and ethics. Lastly, remember that digital marketing is dynamic. Continue learning and upgrading your skills. Explore new tools and strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Flexibility and adaptability are key in the ever-evolving field of digital marketing. Adjust your strategies based on the performance data and the evolving needs of your audience.